Have you ever noticed how some people look incredible years after their surgery while others start to look done or unnatural just a few months later? There's a reason for that. I'm Dr. Shim Ching, board certified plastic surgeon here in Honolulu, and today I want to share what I believe is a real secret behind results that truly last. Whether it's a facelift, breast surgery, or body contouring, long-term success in plastic surgery always comes down to three things: sustainability, safety, and longevity. Let's start with sustainability. When we talk about sustainable surgery, we're really talking about balance. Doing enough to make a real difference, never so much that you lose what makes you uniquely you. I've had patients come to me saying, I just want to look like myself again, not like I've had work done. That is the right mindset. Sustainable results don't chase the latest trend or vow a procedure name. Trends fade, but harmony and balance, those things will never go out of style. For example, with facial rejuvenation, I don't just lift everything upward. I study how your face has changed over time. The subtle descent of tissue, the loss of volume, the way light reflects differently on your features. Then I restore balance. The result isn't a different face, it's you, years younger and completely natural. The same goes for body contouring or breast surgery. My goal is proportion, not just removing or adding, but sculpting in a way that complements your frame. That's what makes results sustainable. Now let's talk about safety, the foundation of everything that I do. I always tell patients, beautiful results mean nothing without safety. Every single detail of your procedure, from anesthesia, surgical technique to recovery, is built around protecting you. Before recommending anything, I consider your health, your anatomy, your goals, and even your lifestyle. Not everyone needs surgery right away. Sometimes the best plan is to actually wait, prepare, or start with non-surgical treatments first. True expertise isn't about doing more, it's about knowing when not to. That's something I take very seriously because no aesthetic result is ever worth compromising your well-being. Now the third pillar, longevity. This is where art meets science. Longevity comes from precise technique, respect for anatomy, and thoughtful planning. Let me give you an example. I often see patients who had procedures somewhere else that looked good at first, but after a year or two, the results started to shift. Maybe the cheeks sat too high, the skin too stretched, or the contour changed. That usually happens when too much tension is placed on the surface instead of addressing the deeper structures inside. When surgery is done correctly, at the right level, with the right tension, the tissues heal naturally, and the result maintains the shape over time. That's how you get results that age gracefully with you, not against you. Longevity isn't about being aggressive. It's about precision. It's about knowing when to stop, how to achieve transformation through subtlety, not force. That's a philosophy that guides every procedure I perform. I think that's what separates a good result from a truly great one. A great result doesn't draw attention, it doesn't scream surgery. It simply enhances what's already beautiful about you. I once had a patient who came in years after a facelift and told me, people say I look well rested, and nobody has ever guessed I had surgery. That's really the best compliment I can receive because that's what longevity looks like. Plastic surgery done right doesn't fight the aging process, it partners with it. You should continue to look natural, healthy, and confident as you age. When I design a treatment plan, I always think in the long term, not just about what you'll look like in 3 months, but in 5, 10, or even 15 years. How will your skin age? How will your bone structure evolve? How will your results hold up with weight changes or lifestyle factors? Those are the questions that define long-lasting beauty. At the end of the day, the secret to results that last isn't a new machine, trademark procedure name, or a trendy marketing term. It's skill, precision, and care. The truth is, good surgery is timeless. When procedures are done with artistry and integrity, they never go out of style. So if you're considering plastic surgery, take your time. Do your research. Find a surgeon who listens to you, understands anatomy, values safety, and balance over height. Because the goal isn't to look different, it's to look like the best version of yourself, now and for years to come. If you'd like to learn more about creating natural, long-lasting results, visit my website or schedule a consultation at Asia Pacific Aesthetics here in Honolulu. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel for more videos where I share honest insights about plastic surgery, safety, and beauty that lasts.